Hello friends, welcome back. Today Bluey and Bingo are in the bathroom. The tiles shine, the mirror fogs a little. Dad peeks in with a silly grin, time for bath time champions. Bluey jumps excited, Bingo claps her paws. Mom brings soft towels, she says remember to wash behind your ears. Bluey giggles, Bingo points at her ears, they flap silly. Dad turns the tap, warm water splashes, bubbles begin to grow. Bluey leans close, wow, so many bubbles. Bingo dips her paw, she squeals, it's so soft. Dad winks, let's make a bubble mountain. Bluey scoops foam high, Bingo stacks more on top. The mountain wobbles then flops, both girls laugh loud. Mom hands them tiny toy ducks, quack, quack in the bath. Bluey races her duck across the water, Bingo makes hers dive under. Dad growls, here comes the giant crocodile. He wiggles his hands, splashing waves. Bluey gasps, save the duck. Bingo giggles, she pushes her duck to the edge. The crocodile roars, bubbles fly everywhere. Mom shakes her head but smiles, what a noisy bath. Bluey pours water from a cup, it sparkles in the light. Bingo copies her, she makes rainbow streams. Dad joins in, he stacks bubbles on Bluey's head. She shouts, I'm the bubble queen. Bingo crowns herself with foam, I'm the bubble princess. They clap, royal bath time begins. Mom reminds them scrub, scrub, scrub. Bluey rubs her arms, Bingo washes her tail. Dad sings silly songs, the girls splash in rhythm. Bubbles pop, pop, pop around them. Bluey blows foam off her paw, it floats like snow. Bingo laughs, she tries to, tiny flakes fall. The bath feels cozy, the air smells fresh with soap. Dad holds up the shampoo, who wants rainbow hair? Bluey leans first, Dad lathers, bubbles tower high. Bingo shouts me next, her fur grows spiky with suds. Mom rinses them gentle, warm water pours clear. Bluey shakes her head, drops fly everywhere. Bingo copies, splash on the mirror. Dad gasps dramatic, oh no the storm. Bluey and Bingo giggle, they clap their paws. Mom sighs, you two are puddle pups even indoors. Finally the water settles, bubbles fade away. Dad pulls the plug, the tub swirls like a tiny whirlpool. Bluey leans close, goodbye bubbles. Bingo waves, see you tomorrow. Mom wraps them in soft towels, snug and warm. Bluey yawns, Bingo cuddles close. Dad ruffles their heads, clean and shiny now. Mom kisses their cheeks, smelling sweet like soap. They walk down the hall, paws tapping the floor. Bluey whispers bath time is the best. Bingo nods sleepy, yeah bubbles forever. Dad chuckles, tomorrow we'll make bubble castles. Mom laughs, only if you promise less splashing. Bluey and Bingo giggle, no promises. They curl up on the couch, cocoa waiting warm. The bathroom is quiet now, but the laughter still lingers. Bath time ends, but the fun stays in their hearts.